Kathai la kai ke India ka Sanfida Nongrum kebre na jela Meghalaya na sinang mo pat ka pan pa ko jing su Kmen ha ba ka por ba ka yo ban Thep ku ha jing khun Persia ya ka Vietnam nei ha ka ju por ka pan pa ko jing Sngewsih na mal ba ka team India ka khamla ban job ha ka tu sngi mata ka sngi ka Sanfida Nongrum kalai kendu yom trang ba ka jela ko ki sang ma hasket riat ha ka ba ka pan pa ko jing Kmen ha ba trang ba ro ai ka jing ka sian ba kam tam ha ba ka yo I bagi pai ba ki jong kan ni ke jela ki ai ha ka jing kasian ya ka sngo ba ayo musim ba ha ju ka por ra kentu ya ki te sama jong ke jela ba kim dai ban le no ai ka sap han dai ki dai ban plek jing mot ba ka no no ka sap ka ba ki don om ban pen sep ai ya
you know. So it's not about you alone, it's about what message you will give to the youngsters about hard work, discipline. So I would like to see that. So if there's anything you want to say, you want to mention to me, then you can always take this opportunity.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for the cash award you give me also.
Okay, you deserve it. You deserve much more.
And I feel honored to to support me also. Support me. Thank you so much.
I'm thinking we'll also, because you see what I'm starting one small program where I want to tell these different cement companies, that they bring all these big stars and they put all their big photos and all that, and they give the money to them. So I've told all of the companies now that I want you to pick up, our local boys and girls now, and it's not a big amount, but whatever small amount you can give to each one of them, and then they'll use your photo, of course, for their advertisement and all. So I'm starting that program also. So I'm calling all of them. I've given some names already, so I'll be giving your name also to them that they should give you. Then they will call you and then they'll think. Just take note of that, Shiva.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we'll do whatever we can do for the support you.
Thank you, sir.
And just want to ask, how was the feeling when you scored the goal? Was it great?
So really happy.
Yeah, we all are feeling very happy. Great. So congratulations. Thank you once again. May God bless you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mga Thep tu ka gue ngas Kmen ba kalau Kmen long ba long na kalong ka feeling janga kalong ka pera te long kada nang ka Kmen ru kata ka ju I long sosi ru bangim job ma ka tu kasi te katai message what give up in your dream ka iba fi dream long what do you give up work hard bit thungu ya ka we ka goal ba fi dan te long tray bi ya ka e ka tu ba fi dan de ka lom ka goal jonga di football nga kwa be ban focus tang ka we ka goal untai tray stam anta purpose to be happy atai kakateng jonga de Sanfida Nongrum masa amopat de kum ka experience pangale ka bat national team kalang ka ma ban dan kat lambat ki seniors ban kumno ban yang keren bat ki kalong hakan te ningkok nge te nga ningkok nge te nga ai traji suba dan kat lambat nga adukan ni ka thongbo dan kat banga chief minister yarap yang long ngampoi perkat mo và bandan jing yarap adukan ni te nga Kmen hi ta malong ka ngampoi perkat baki buon nong supporter yang aru mo nang kam anong no long ngadan morway sa teiru makanaru nga iki nong support sa ni pa kilong ki support bhate nga Kmen ba nang tai CM ru ngalong nga ai play ba I layarap yang adu kat ni ang tai yang support yang tai